This is Cornell Notes, Lesson 2-2, Course 2, and I am Mrs. McCowan. In the top hand corner of your paper, what I'd like you to do is write the topic. This is adding integers, and today's date is August 26th. Write that in the top right hand corner with the page number. Adding integers. Okay, we're going to model integer addition. So on the left hand side, write modeling integer addition. And for number 1, we're going to solve -3 plus -6. So on my number line, I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go down to -3. And then I'm going to add -6. When we add, we usually go to the right, but since I'm adding a negative, I'm going to be going to the left. So I'm going to count down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I should be at -9. So my first step was I went to -3, and then I subtracted 6, and I'm at -9. So my answer is -9. Number 2, we have the problem 4 plus -7. I'm going to start at 0, go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to add a -7. Well, -7's to the left, so I'm actually going to go 7 to the left. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm at -3. So the answer is -3. Okay, our next topic is adding integers using absolute values. Number 3, I have -7 plus -4. When we add two negative numbers, it's like adding. So we know that 7 plus 4 is 11. So I'm going to add 7 first, -7, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to add -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm at -11. Number 4, I have -8 plus 6. So I'm going to start at 0 again. I'm going to go -8, so that's to the left, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to add 8. Excuse me, add 6. I'm going to add 6. So count back, 6, and I am at -2. So the answer, -8 plus 6, is -2. Okay, our next topic is evaluating expressions with integers. Number 5, we're going to solve a plus b. If a is 6 and b is -10. So I'm going to write out a plus b. A is 6 and b is -10. If I were to draw a number line, start out at 0, go to 6, and then subtract 10. Where am I? That's right, -4. So 6 plus -10 is -4. Okay, our last problem, this is an application problem, a word problem. Number 6, just write down the key terms that you need to solve the problem in your notes. The math team's income from a car wash was $300 including tips. Supply expenses were $25. Use integer addition to find the team's total profit or loss. Well, an expense is a negative because that's how much it cost, so that would be a negative. And then how much they got, their income, that's a positive number. So that would be 300 plus negative 25 is that's correct, 275. So their total profit was $275. Okay, now I'd like you to write a summary of your Cornell notes. I learned to, I know now how to, I reviewed how to. If you have questions, you can ask Mrs. McCowan.